Yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm an affiliate marketer on Amazon. So if you wanted to purchase any of the stuff that I'm using right now, I'll leave all the links for that in the description down below. It'll help you guys, and it'll also help me as well. If Melina could stop cooking eggs. Also, all my drone footage and photos are all going to be up on Pond 5, so I'll leave my Pond 5 link in the description down below. So go check it out if you want to purchase any of the drone footage or photos for, I don't know, the desktop background, or you can turn it into a poster or get it printed onto a canvas to have in your kitchen, because I have taken some pretty good ones.
Don't you know, it is getting low, it is getting hard, 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 hard. I need secrets to be a prince, to be a part of me. I need hard, I need hard. Don't you know, it is getting low, it is getting hard, 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 hard. I need secrets to be a prince, to be a...
Sorry that was such a short one, guys. But yeah, I didn't get much vlog footage of Wanaka. This is adding to it. Sorry for my hair. We just got to Auckland after a 12-hour bus journey as well. Spent half an hour in the rain looking for our accommodation. So we found it, and this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna have an awesome time in Auckland. The videos are gonna continue coming. So Wanaka is actually like the final major stop that we had in the South Island that I got footage for, at least. So after Wanaka, it's then gonna be videos of the trip round to the South Island, because that was the highlight, not these little spots. It was the highlight, was driving, for me anyway, was driving through all of these roads and stuff.
You're stupid.
So yeah, I'll see you in a bit.